Testing, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2. Trying to see if we got a good internet connection out here so I can go live. Y'all let me know if it's going in and out or is it working correctly. Testing, 1, 2. The goal is to be all over here and all down here. Oh. Let's see. Is AT&T doing me right? Do not climb or walk on bridges. The crawler competition. You're connected to the chat. Anybody there? Anybody there? Just let me know it's showing good. It sound good. Let me know something. Let me know something. Let me know something. Okay. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Wake up. 2 people came in. Look out, y'all. 2 people that's in there. What is it looking like? Is it looking good? Is it sounding good? Is it buffering? Let me know something. This park is smoke free. No smoking. Yeah. And I smell a cigarette. Look out. Uh-oh. They got some good cars. Somebody got them a little Memphis amp hooked up. 66 others. Appreciate the follow. Got a little Hemi up here. Is that a Hemi? Nah, V6. Looking like it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
He did say disconnected from chat. That wasn't good. Was that a buffer? Was that a buffer, my friend? Let me see something, man. I just want to know if it's showing good, y'all. Two viewers live. Let me see what it's looking like on my end. Look kind of good. Ain't bad. I don't know how good. Okay. I'm here. You woke me up. What's up with it, Rob? One time. Golly, I've been waiting on somebody to come in. It's looking crispy. Okay, that's all I need to know, man. Cause I was wondering. I'm gonna be all over here and getting low and up and all that, man. I needed somebody to tell me. Like this probably, I'm gonna be all in this area right here, y'all. Suit Mike, you say it's crispy? CM8 ever? CM8 ever. Why that's your name, man? I'm gonna walk around it all the way one time. Okay, it's good. I'm glad, man. I am glad, y'all. That's good, man. Got the 720 working. Okay. I ain't got to go nowhere. First, I was about to go try to run up to Best Buy and go get an HDMI cable. All that ain't Look out, everything working, man.
Awesome.
I already got everything working, man. So we don't need to go to Best Buy. Y'all got all my attention. I'm here with y'all. Stuck.
Awesome,
we live, man. Go on, tell the show. Let's see your cars, man. They say you over here. Go on, give me a little, show me a little something one time for the one time.
These are all of my RC cars. I built each one.
Okay.
Like this one, I TIG welded and bent all the tube, cut it all, did everything. It's a,
okay, it's been TIG welded.
Yep, it's a full chassis. There's nothing like from a manufacturer on it, so I built the whole chassis.
Okay.
This one, similar thing, hard body,
Hard.
Hilux.
Okay.
The whole cage and everything.
Oh, I got a roll cage on. Okay.
And this one, same thing. Built the whole cage on this one. And these are what we call our medium tire. The tire is about medium size.
Oh, these medium size?
Yep. And then this car right here on the end, this is a competition 4x4 car.
Yeah.
You can see there's no cage work. It's all made out of mostly carbon fiber. And, plastic, and it's very lightweight. Only weighs 4 pounds. You can feel it, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's real light.
4 pounds. Okay, so that's what 4 pounds feel like. Okay, I got you.
And so with this one, you can go up big rocks like 80-degree inclines. It'll go up it, or breakovers. It'll do that as well.
Yeah.
And then over here, I got my drag cars.
This the drag cars?
Yep, these are the drag cars. So this is a DR10 Fox body I built. And this is a factory 41 car.
Factory 41.
Yep. And with this car, I've ran a 2.3 at 66 miles an hour.
A 2.3?
Yep, and with this one I ran 2.4s at 60 miles an hour.
Okay, let me see up under the hood. See what you're working with. Yeah.
And this one, since it's the factory 41 chassis, it's all carbon fiber.
Okay.
And it's actually from a BOA RC car, and they just put the transmission and the arms on it.
Okay.
This is the battery right here.
Yeah.
So this is a $120 battery. Right
What?
Here. Yep.
What is that? A GS or
It's a DRK.
DRK? What?
Made by McLaren. It's only a 2S battery.
Oh, only a 2S?
Yes, because like this car right here, this battery is 4 cells.
Yeah.
So it's double this one. This is only 2 cells.
Damn, so that's what the 4S and 5S and all that stuff stand for?
Yeah, because you can see, this is a real good example. Your batteries, you see,
Oh, okay.
this is a
It's
cell.
stacked up full.
Yep, that's 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell, 4 cell.
So that make it a 4S.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And so
Okay,
this
I didn't
one
know that.
just got
So
2
this only
big
got
fat-
2 big fat ones.
Yep, in there.
Okay.
But
Okay.
like I said, $120 battery.
See, I ain't know
Really
that.
good battery.
So the ones with more cells, that's better, huh?
More power, yes.
More power. Have you ever had a 5S? I seen a 5S.
5S and 6S.
Oh, they got 6S.
8S.
Oh, they go up to 8? Damn. When they stop?
Yeah, I can run 6S on this car, and that's 24 volts. That's more than what's in your car that you drove here today.